it. This is the ultimate urban commuting bike that also provides great value for your money. Featuring classic K-frame series with ergonomic geometry for a more comfortable ride and smooth lines. Made with aviation-grade titanium aluminum, crafted with argon arc welding for beautiful seams. The paintwork is refined, subtle yet stylish, making your rides more pleasant and convenient. The frame comes with pre-reserved mounting points for baskets, water bottle cages, rear racks, and third wheels, boasting excellent expandability. It can be customized and upgraded according to consumers' preferences. Dahon is a leader in the folding bike market, holding numerous patents over the years and ranking at the forefront of the industry. Most folding bikes around the world manifest the DNA of Dahon's folding bike design, incorporating 5 to 6 of Dahon's patented technologies. This model incorporates multiple elements of Dahon V tech suite, which improves the overall rigidity and speed across all bike types. Over 1,000 mainstream media outlets, including Bloomberg, Forbes, and Reuters, have reported on the groundbreaking technology. DELTECH. This innovative technology excels in safety, durability, and speed. It transforms the single-beam folding bike frame into a stable triangular structure, achieving the effect of a double-beam design. This reduces the load on the folding mechanism, increases load capacity, and significantly extends frame lifespan. Frame rigidity improves by 15%, effectively converting pedaling force into propulsion. The reinforcement system doesn't interfere with folding and integrates brake and gear cables for a clean and streamlined appearance. Super down tube. With a larger diameter, the down tube is flattened at both ends near the bottom bracket and main tube, significantly increasing coupling strength. Rigidity improves by more than 10% in both vertical and horizontal directions, enhancing pedaling efficiency and ease of riding. Combined with the DELTECH system, the bike becomes safer and climbs more efficiently, even outperforming many road and mountain bikes in speed. BA hinge. The 4-link structure ensures secure and reliable locking. The folding and unfolding process is simple, efficient, and quick. The hinge is made of forged aluminum, combining safety and aesthetics. Second-generation handle post. Made from forged aluminum with no welds, the second generation handle post offers exceptional strength and durability. With the square taper design on the stem, widened and hollowed clamp ensuring a tighter and more stable lock, significantly improving rigidity and riding safety. A newly designed safety hook automatically locks into place for easy and secure operation. Adjustable handlebar and saddle. The handlebar angle and height can be adjusted for a personalized riding posture. The extended aluminum seat post allows for a wide range of adjustments to fit riders of different heights. Featuring a Shimano 7-speed gear system with clear, smooth, and precise shifting. It comes with a 52-tooth chainring and a 14 to 28-tooth rear cassette, providing quick starts and powerful pedaling. The custom wheels designed by Dahon offer smooth lubrication, with rims capable of handling high pressure, ensuring stable and comfortable riding when braking quickly. Dahon's anti-puncture tires ensure worry-free riding on tough roads. Folded dimensions. Dahon holds over 40 years of international folding bike development and innovation. Founder Dr. David Hahn is widely recognized as the father of the modern folding bicycle. Dahon is recognized by Guinness World Records as the world's largest folding bicycle manufacturer and distributor. Choosing Dahon means choosing reliability and quality. Built upon Dahon's proven folding systems, further details speak for themselves. Choose Dahon's for a lighter, faster, and more enjoyable riding lifestyle.